Man, look, I've been waiting my turn patiently.
I am
But that shit
Bytch.
Time to turn it up a notch. Let's go.
Is that Bree-Ze? I know this ain't Bree-Ze. It's going down. What's up? She back. Yeah. It's about to go down now. Welcome back, man. Welcome back.
Didn't they fire you?
Demons in your ear.
I took a little break, but the break is over. Bitch, I'm back.
Bitch, I'm back. Bitch, I'm back.
I hope you sober enough to take these bars straight to the heart. Got a little bag and I got out the way with these hoes on my dick, so bitch, I'm back.
Bitch, I'm back. Bitch, I'm back.
Say a prayer, keep it player, bitch, I'm back, so stay on your toes. I made it out the hood, bitch, yeah. Look at me now, I'm the goal. You and me will never be the same, and that's on gang gang. Whole city screaming, Bree-Ze, don't hurt 'em. Pops like hell, now get 'em. First off, bitch, I'm on your ass. Second, I'm all in your bag. What you gonna do about it, though? Ho, you cannot match my flow. Worth it, that's something like a simp nigga, and load that good. I ride around in a black man wish, so I wish a motherfucker would. Try me, bitch, I'm worse than Jeff, Son, and Ted. When it come to this rap shit, you bitches ain't ready to see what I brought to the war. Better check my rap sheet. I'm the biggest, I'm the realest, I'm the greatest. You bitches be folding. I ain't sign a deal, cause I do what I want and these niggas controlling. I'm fucking these bitches up now. I'm talking, I'm deep in their guts. If you thought am rap, bitch, better than me, nigga, you nuts. All disrespect when I spit these bars, bitches up now. Never played tiffy tatter, this is that, bitch is stuck now. Just a little break, but the break is over, bitch,